Hello, this is Andrew from Home to Garden Plumbing. Today I'm going to take you through how to find a leak in your main water line and possibly in your appliances. So the process I'm going to take you through will be to find the leak in the main line, which is you will be doing either because you have a high water bill or otherwise you have a feeling that you're using more water than you should be. In that process we will be checking other appliances and fixtures, so we'll be able to determine if it's something which is within the home. So follow me and I'll take you through this process step by step, saving you time and money. Okay, so now we'll have to locate the water meter. So the water meter will be found along the boundary in the front garden. And this particular water meter is found near to the garden tap. There usually will be a garden tap near to the location of the water meter. So if you see here, just move this plant, you'll see the garden tap, and then right next to it is the meter. And now we're going to run the test. And to ensure that it is an accurate test, we have to make sure that there are no other leaks elsewhere in the home and garden. We'll go around and turn off and check for leaks in the tapware and fixtures. And firstly we'll start here in the garden. So in most homes and gardens you'll have a garden tap with a hose, and the hose can hide whether a tap is leaking. So first of all, take off the garden hose and you'll see this one has been left on slightly. So all you do is just make sure it's switched off, so otherwise that will affect the test. Okay, now we're looking at the washing machine stop tap. You'll find this in the cupboard next to your washing machine, or in alternative situations it's behind the washing machine or above it. All you got to do is just turn off the tap to make sure that there are no leaks that are running into the hose. Another place that you want to check is your kitchen sink. So it may be fairly obvious, but a leak from your kitchen tap or any filtered taps, and the same with the basin in all your bathrooms too, will cause the test to not be accurate. So please make sure that you get this fixed first, as this may be the cause to your higher water bill. You can lose up to 15,000 litres of water a year with a leaking tap. Another place that you want to make sure you haven't got any leaks is under the kitchen sink. Just make sure that there are no puddles of water. If there are leaks under there, obviously you need to get them fixed because it will cause damage. But you can do the test if you turn off the stop taps, because this will stop it from leaking. So another place we need to check is the toilet. So the toilet may be leaking, and that again will make the test inaccurate. So to test the toilet, what we do is take some tissue paper, and then along the back of the pan here there may be water that's running down, and that may be due to a faulty flush valve washer or a faulty inlet valve. So to make sure we haven't got that issue, is we take the tissue and we'll run it at the back of the toilet there, and if it doesn't collect any water, then we know we haven't got a leak. But to be safe, and if we do have a leak, what we'll do as well is turning off the stop tap for the toilet. We just turn that clockwise. We leave that off for the duration of the test. Okay, so the other thing we need to check is the hot water service, because this can have leaks too. For instantaneous, you'll have a stop tap like this in the middle. All you do is turn it so it's horizontally across the pipe, and that will be switched off. The other type of hot water service is the storage tank. So a storage tank would be sitting on the floor, and to the left hand side you'll find 3 pipes. One of them will have a black round knob. All you need to do is turn that clockwise until it stops, and that is isolating the water to the storage unit. So if you have a pool, you may have an automatic top up. So you'll need to make sure that that water supply is isolated, as it could be gradually leaking. Okay, so now we've determined there are no leaks in your fixtures and fittings around your home and garden. The next step is to test the main line between the water meter and the home. To do this, we will need to check the last 2 digits on the water meter. We will then not use any water for a minimum of 30 minutes. Once this time has elapsed, we then check the 2 digits on the water meter again. If they have moved, it means you do have a leak and you will have to call a plumber to get that fixed. If they haven't moved, then everything is okay. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you found it very helpful. If you did like it, please press the like button below and share it with your friends and family. If you have any ideas for some handy tips, leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to have a look at them soon. You've been watching Andrew from Home to Garden. Speak to you soon.